All right, in this video, I'm going to go over how you can review our prices, products, and services. This is Kenneth Furton with Real Estate Photographer Pro, and the website is realestatephotographerpro.com. So we're going to go to the website, and you can click on at the top menu bar, Book and Prices, or you can come right down here in the middle of the page and click Book. It takes you to the same location, and you can review everything, all of our products and services. Just need to put in an address. We do need the square footage because that will filter the shopping cart by the size of the property. We'll do 32. Then that will pull up the shopping cart. We have packages. We have a la carte items. I'll go over those real quickly for you. So for this size property, the ideal package would be 35 photos, 10 drone photos, a 2D floor plan, and a social media marketing kit with a property website. So that would be the most amount of marketing assets for the least amount of money. Or we could go down to a la carte. So we've got our video section here, walkthrough animated video, and that's a 3D animated video. And you notice right here under the description, you can pull up examples, drone photography, aerial notations, drone videos, 3D floor plan with color, 2D floor plan. So if you just need us to come out and do a 2D floor plan, we can do that. Add-on, virtual enhancements. And then here are some smaller packages: next day photos, 30 photos, floor plans with measurements, and drone photos. Or you can just go down to photos only with floor plans and measurements. For some reason, if you do not need the floor plan, we can substitute those out for photos. If you need to order the social media marketing kit as a separate item, we have that right here as a standalone item. If you're doing a commercial property, restaurant, apartment complex, manufacturing facility, we have commercial pricing packages right here. All right, this is Kenneth Furton with Real Estate Photographer Pro. If you need to see any of our products, services, or prices, just go to Real Estate Photographer Pro, click in the top menu bar, Book Our Prices, our book, and then just put in a property address. We do need the square footage. We do need the room. We do need the number of bathrooms, and we would like to have the property size. We actually do not have to have that, but that will filter the shopping cart, so you're looking at items that would apply to that situation. Thank you very much.